Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Natural Remedies. I'm Tracy. Today, we are revealing a secret weapon in the fight against high cholesterol and clogged arteries, especially beneficial for the elderly. Cardiovascular diseases are a significant issue, and maintaining healthy arteries is crucial for longevity and overall well-being. Experts have identified a particular type of oil that is exceptionally beneficial for maintaining cardiovascular health: olive oil. Known for its rich content of monounsaturated fats and antioxidants, olive oil has been celebrated for centuries for its health-promoting properties. Olive oil helps lower LDL cholesterol, known as bad cholesterol, which contributes to plaque buildup in the arteries. It also increases HDL cholesterol, or good cholesterol, which helps transport cholesterol away from the arteries and back to the liver for elimination. Additionally, the antioxidants in olive oil, such as polyphenols and vitamin E, protect arterial walls from damage and reduce inflammation, preventing plaque formation. When choosing olive oil, extra virgin olive oil is the highest quality and least processed, retaining the most antioxidants and vitamins. It has a rich flavor, making it perfect for drizzling over salads or dipping bread. For cooking at high heat, regular olive oil has a higher smoking point and is more suitable for frying or sautéing. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet is simple and effective. Here are a few tips on how to make the most of its health benefits. 1. Cooking. Use olive oil as a substitute for other cooking oils like vegetable oil or butter. Whether you are sautéing vegetables, frying eggs, or preparing a stir-fry, adding a little olive oil can enhance the flavor and provide numerous health benefits. 2. Salads. Drizzle extra virgin olive oil over salads as a healthy dressing. Combine it with vinegar or lemon juice for a delicious and nutritious vinaigrette. 3. Dipping. Serve olive oil with whole grain bread as a dipping sauce. Add some herbs and spices for extra flavor. 4. Marinades. Use olive oil as a base for marinades for meats, poultry, and fish. It not only adds flavor, but also helps tenderize the protein. Incorporating olive oil into your daily diet can help reduce LDL cholesterol, increase HDL cholesterol, and protect your arteries from plaque formation and inflammation. This simple dietary change can contribute significantly to maintaining healthy arteries and prevent cardiovascular diseases, ensuring a long, healthy life. By making olive oil as a regular part of your diet, you can help maintain healthy arteries and prevent cardiovascular diseases. This simple yet effective change can significantly impact your overall health, especially as you age. Thank you for watching. Please remember to subscribe and click the bell button for more videos of mine. Thank you.